Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.09 and momentum at plus 0.17, both above historical baselines. This increase suggests that there's a unique shift happening in global sentiment that you should pay attention to. The Pulsebit API returns a rich dataset that includes key metrics on sentiment, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of global sentiment trends. Imagine you're building a dashboard that tracks public sentiment around environmental issues. With this API, you can identify shifts in sentiment and momentum, enabling you to respond quickly to emerging trends or events. To explore this data further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness the power of sentiment together.